Who's this guy on the bridge here? Oh, it's me. And I'm in Salford Quays. I'm going to have a walk round and see what it's like round here on this nice sunny day. Why not? As we go over the bridge.
Johnny 360 travels in your adventure every day. Come and see the world with me in a whole new way. If you like what you see, hit like, subscribe today.
So as we walk over the bridge, ITV Studios there to the right. That's where you can do the Coronation Street tour. I've done that tour. If you want to watch it, see my other videos, feel free to click it and watch it, but not until you finish watching this one. So we'll make our way across. The door's just down the bottom there. There you can see the Coronation Street sign on the far right. People out jogging, walking around the bridge. As we make our way around to the side now. Oh, it's a lovely day, calming, relaxing. Cyclist on his way up here, on his way to work, going doing a bit of graft, keeping the wheel going. Another cyclist here. Slow down, sir. Thank you. See my nose a little scratch. So yeah, that's the ITV building where you do the Coronation Street tour. This lady's just having a gentle stroll, like I am. Another cyclist here on his way to work. The grafters are out. As we make our way down the side here towards the Imperial War Museum. I've been in that museum as well. I've also done a video on that. If you want to, again, go back and watch it on my channel. But make sure you finish watching this one first. The water's very calm today. You might recognise this water if you watch ITV News. That's what's in the background. Excuse me. So what I've done this voice, I sat at home rather than walking to it because I've been puffing and panting and a humming and a harring. Then we look back on Media City there. It's nice, isn't it? That's the bridge we've just walked over. As we make our way up to the stairs now, as you can see there, the Imperial War Museum. It's alright in there, it's free. Let's get up these stairs now. Let's get him a rocky on there as we climb up. More stairs. I probably should have got that path at the side where there's no stairs, but I like to stay close to the water's edge for you. Anyway, let's keep going. A bit boring this bit, isn't it? Keep going, keep heading down. It's a lovely day, sky's lovely and blue. Faster away from here. Let's have a look at this tower. There's one on each side of the bridge of these. Good, aren't they then? Tall structures. We'll make our way across that bridge in a minute or two. As we look out over the water. Nice day. Cold. It's really nice day, no rain. Here's me trying to be cool. Super slow motion. You ready for the whoosh? That's cool, isn't it? That's the cool transition. As you can tell, I've been practicing my editing skills as we walk away. Make our way up the path now. Plenty of people around. Good evening, chaps, even though it's afternoon. Like an MI5 building, that or something. I don't know what that is there on the right. That's that other tower. Oh, I should have got a drink before I started this. He's coughing and a spluttering. So we'll make our way over the bridge now. isn't it? Nice calming walk, and it's free. That's the best thing. It's free of charge to do. Cyclist again. Don't know where that one's off. Got his hood up. It's probably a hoodlum. The little girl's running off. Never let go of her hand. She's off. The dad's shouting, "Come back! Stop messing around!" Oh, she's come back now. She's come back. She's well behaved, that one. Oh. There's some restaurants and bars to the left of me there. I've not been in them, but they look alright. They're quite nice. I would imagine quite pricey. As we make our way over to the end of the bridge now. Control tower up there. They'll lift that bridge up to let the boats past. This Jack looks worn out, doesn't he? Making our way down. Kids messing about. Can't just walk down the stairs, can they? They've got to mess about. Cause a ruckus. The dad's looking back. He's like, "Come on, there's a pub here." It's not a bad idea, son. It's not a bad idea. The trees look nice, don't they? With about all the leaves fell off. It is winter, of course, at the moment. Looking out over the water. Families enjoying themselves, walking around. Bit of woolly hat on, keeping his head warm. The rowers are out there, if you look to the right. They're practicing the rowing. I think I'll get a other boat made that's not got the rowing things on with the engine. Be a lot easier. Another cyclist, oh, two cyclists, oh, and a car. They just sat down having a chat. And a jogger. Go on, get your knees up. So as we make our way down now at the side of the quays, it's an enjoyable walk. It's not too far actually. Looks, I thought it was going to take ages, but here they are now. Look, the wacky racers. He's winning. Go on. Central Bay. Looks nice up there, doesn't it? I think we shall have an interval in there, I think. I don't drink anymore, so it'll have to be alcohol free, unfortunately, but I'll give up the drink. I've not had a drink for a long time now. Alcoholic drink, obviously. I still drink like water and that. Got a drink, haven't you, or you'll die. Get one per one through this gap, up to the stairs. More stairs. Chef's on a tea break. Oh, grab the handrail, that's me knackered. Make our way in. He's been thrown out for being too young. No ID, no alcohol. Off your pop. These are young lads here, enjoying the sunshine. You've got to walk all the way back to the front door. You should have put the stairs on this end, shouldn't they? Bad planning that. Well, got me alcohol free, as you can see on the label. £5.20 that was. Well, I needed a drink. You expect to pay a bit more, don't you, places like this? You pay for that view, don't you, really? Oh, let's have a drink in super slow motion. Taking a while, isn't it? I probably should have made this clip a bit shorter. He's going to be late for work in the back if he keeps walking that slow. Jesus, dragged that out, didn't I? I hope Peroni see this and start paying me for advertising. You just had about 5 minutes there for nothing. A couple of pigeons hanging around looking for fish or something to eat, I think. Do pigeons eat fish? I know they eat everything else. And all families enjoying their day out. These are colourful, aren't they? These plant pots. Nice. They were walking the other way a second ago. He's put his foot down. He's going to the bar for a drink. So we make our way over to the water's edge. I don't know what I'm doing with my hand there. Probably adjusting my coat or something. Walking a little doog. It's not dogs always doing it. They always get wrapped round a lamppost, no matter which way you go. Here's a postman working on a Saturday. Well done. It is a Saturday when I film this. She's in shorts. Must be mad in this weather. I've got 2 pairs of pants on me. It was that cold. 3 tops and a body warmer, a gilet, whatever you call them. A lot of pigeons about, isn't there? These are the rowers. And they've got the tyres there, so you want to fasten your boat up, you don't bash into the side. So the kid's running away. Oh no, he's not. Forget that. He's behaving himself. Lampposts could either paint, couldn't they? They're a bit shabby. Need a bit of hammerite or something on them. Spruce them up a bit. These trees have still got the golden leaves on. Yeah, it's nice down here. I'd recommend it for if you've got to go for a little walk or something. It's alright. I got myself a B Network bus thing for the day, £5. Go anywhere you want all day. So thought I'd have a ride down here. These are the rowers, they're all worn out. You should have got in the one with the engine. Don't need to be rowing this day and age. The human race is advanced. We've got petrol power now. Or electric power if you're into that sort of thing. Flying about. It's quiet down here. As we make our way towards the end, I'll probably finish the video up over there near that hotel. Like a little mini lighthouse thing here. Oh look, oh that's where you launch the boats in. Oh, there's the one with the engine. That's the one I would have got in. Not that one you've got to row. These two have been together a long time. You can tell because they don't walk near each other. That's what happens when you've been together years. As we make our way across now, past the Salford Quays lighthouse, towards the bridge over the canal, the waterway, the quay, whatever you want to call it. Oh, must have done a little bit of a spin there. So making our way over. Well, it was a nice walk that, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Oh, cyclist, slow down sir, thank you. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and listening to me running on about it. If you have enjoyed it, please like, please subscribe, please comment. I'm not monetized on YouTube, so maybe consider buying me a coffee, because if you've enjoyed it, I shall put the link, the QR code, just give it a scan with your phone. Buy me a coffee, 50 pence, something like that, anything. It all helps. So thank you for what we're doing here. Get back your nutcase, you can fall in. Looking around, looking puzzled like I always am. Looking for something. I'm looking for something to get up to there. Is there a way down? Is there a way I can get nearer to the water? I know exactly what I'm thinking. Well, thank you for watching. And yep, if you'd like to buy me a coffee, please do. Please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Until next time. See you later.
Johnny 360 travels in your adventure